and welcome back, and I'm so happy to see you again. The Sledgehammer's Edge universe. In my previous video, I told you why I was creating this universe. My vision was to create a universe of collective wisdom where people like you can walk in, get empowered, and create orbit shifting realities out of every vision and dream that you've been harboring within yourself. End result, we'll create an amazing world for all of us to live in. Now, how do we do it? There are several beautifully designed planets in this community. Each planet working for you. Each planet serving you to iconic and to world class. Each planet designed with so much of my passion and experience of 63 years, corporate and as an entrepreneur. Every planet serving you. Now, what are these planets? Aha! My next video. Till then, stay cool, stay inspired. Love you guys.